start. Ravinder Kumar, what is your degree? Hello. If some of you would like to change your name, don't tell me, sir, my name, I don't want it to come in video. So don't tell me. If you want to change your name, tell me. I will change your name now. Shekhar, your name is okay with Shekhar? Or you want me to name it as,
Okay, sir. Okay.
what about
Okay,
Shrikant?
sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. I'm okay with it.
Ravinder Kumar, is it okay to have your name like this? Ravinder Kumar, is it okay to have your name like this? Or you want me to
Yeah.
change?
No, sir. I'm fine with that, sir.
What about Jai Shri Kunte?
Sir, please, Jai
Change.
Sri is okay, sir. Jai Sri is
Please.
okay, sir.
Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Amar Budame, is it okay to have your name like this or should we alter it? Amar Budame, is it okay to come like this? Yeah. Amar Budame, good. Amar Budame, what is your degree? Amar Budame, what is your degree? His internet is not all right. Yeah, tell me. Amar Budame, what is your degree? Say, in fact, I was talking to you people up to, I think India time, I don't know what, 6 o'clock or so. At that time, what happened? Suddenly, internet connection here in Toronto, throughout the city went out. And after about half an hour, they restored it. That's why I'm with you. Otherwise, I thought I'm going to miss this class today. Anyhow, let me start not with a negative note, start with a positive note. I wish all of you success in the interview. And I think your Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank or our Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank has sent the biodata form also. Please fill it up properly. Whatever you write on that, they will go through that, and then based on that, they will raise questions. So be ready for allied questions to that particular matter you are writing in the biodata. In any
Okay.
interview, the questions will go like this. They will ask you to tell about yourself. I have already told you about introduction many times. Like you will tell your name, then the degree you have studied, MSc or MA or a BA, whatever it is, from which college, how many marks, which year, and then you will also tell about the extracurricular activities you have been doing, or achievements made by you. You should tell that clearly. And after that is told, you can tell about your strengths. I normally tell my candidates, you can alter it, don't tell the very same thing there. Normally, I tell candidates to say, I am a quick learner, I am a hard-working person. I am interested in shouldering higher responsibilities. I possess leadership style and I am good in problem solving, and I am a person with creativity, and I am a person who is interested in pursuing till I achieve goal. I will not give up, and I am very good in planning, so I am good in time management also. Whenever you talk like this, they will tease you by asking you to explain about an example of a situation where you used this skill. So be ready with some answer for that also. So once that is over, they will go into simple questions like, say, what is
सर
bank? Yeah,
सर अभी जो आपने बोला एक्चुअली मैं लिख रहा था तो मैं लिख नहीं पाया सर। ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है क्या सेशन?
it is record over. I will post it again immediately after today, say by in about another half an hour, 1 hour after the class is over. I will post it. Don't worry.
ओके सर।
Or if you want, I can straight away connect it to live, but acha nahi lagega. Let it go like this. Okay.
Yes.
Next is, this is the first question. Thereafter, routine questions are, what is a bank? What is banking? Which bank you are having account? You are having which account? Then what is a bank? What is a banking? Then what are the para banking services? Para banking means bank assurance, that is canvassing of insurance policies and canvassing for mutual fund products. So this type of thing is known as, that is para banking activities. Now the question is, why banks are doing para banking activities? Because they get commission from the insurance company and mutual funds. What is banking? Banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances. Full stop. Next question is invariably, how banks make profit? Banks make profit by lending money to borrowers. They will get interest. Banks get para banking commission, that is non-fund based income like commission, then minimum balance charges, check return charges, then guarantee issue charges like that. These extra charges and also locker rent. So apart from this, banks invest monies in government securities, so they get interest. Banks invest in other company shares, so they get dividend. Do you follow? So these are the points you have to tell for the first stage. This is the first level. Bank this, and goes like this. Yeah. Next thing is, invariably, the question will be, tell us about your family. Whenever you tell about your family, you should say, my father is working as so and so. Give a full answer. My mother is working as so and so. Or my mother is a homemaker. Stop with that. Then, if they ask, tell about your family, then you have to tell about your siblings also. What are they doing? They are studying some degree, means don't say degree. He is studying BA degree, BA physics, BA history, something like that. Specifically, you should tell. The one point to be remembered is, in interviews, we should not talk by one word answer. Why should I select you? Sir, I am a good man. This answer is not good. You should tell it in descriptive way. I already told you the points, like I am a quick learner, I am a hardworking. From amongst that, you put some points and then tell that that is why you have to select me. So if you tell like that, they will be happy. And one point is, interview we can succeed if we don't talk in one words, and if we do not talk in too lengthy words. जो चाहिए वो बोलना है, जो नहीं चाहिए वो नहीं बोलना है. எதை வேணுமோ அதை சொல்லணும், எதை வேண்டாமோ அதை சொல்லக்கூடாது. समझ गया? माने जब हम, when we tell one point, and we must be having backing to support that point also. Enjoy talking. First and foremost, the quality required for a customer service associate executive is, one, to talk to people pleasingly, welcoming them, convincing them, getting new accounts, new type of contacts. Your main job is that one only, because you are told as executive. Maybe they will ask you to Sometimes they will ask you to work in the branch. Many times they may ask you to go out and for canvassing deposits. Sometimes they will give you lead. You use this, go out and canvass in this area, in this bank, sorry, in this hospital, in this school, college, like that. So you should do that. For that, what is required is willingness to talk to others. Next important point is job role. I think I have explained many times. One, to receive customers with a smile, to explain the KYC formalities, help in opening of account. Also try to do some, say, para banking activities like advising customer to use other services of our bank. That means if a person comes and opens savings bank account, we request him to open fixed deposit. We also request him to take car loan from us, etc. Do you follow this? So this is how you have to explain that position. And once that stage is over, bank means mainly deposits and advances. Invariably, I would request all of you, don't believe what I am telling now. You believe after this, you should go through Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank or Federal Bank website thoroughly and get to know different types of accounts, etc. For example, you should know at least 2 or 3 types of our savings bank accounts, 1 or 2 current accounts, then fixed deposit, recurring deposit. These are the 4 types of deposits. Savings bank current account are known as demand deposits because they are repayable at call. Then fixed deposit and recurring deposit are time deposits because they are repayable after a fixed time. This is a favorite question. What is the difference between savings bank and current account? A savings bank account is normally opened by individuals or 2 or 3 people together for saving purposes. It is invariably opened by salaried people or sometimes by business people also. But a current account is one which is opened by businesses. For example, proprietor, partnership, or limited company, they can open these current accounts. The difference between savings bank and current account is that the minimum balance prescribed in savings bank accounts is comparatively lower than the minimum balance prescribed in fixed current account. The minimum balance prescribed differs from the place to place. For example, rural areas, it will be lower balance. In metropolitan and urban areas, it will be higher balance. Then, in the case of savings account, you have a restriction on withdrawals, like 50 withdrawals per half year. And when you exceed that 50 withdrawals, bank will levy some charges on it. In the case of current account, there are no restriction on number of withdrawals. Any number of transactions can be done by us. However, in the case of savings bank, banks pay interest of 3% per annum. I think in Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, one candidate told me that up to 10 lakhs it
Yes,
is
sir.
3. So you should tell like that. And in the case of current account, no interest is paid by bank. On the next point, in the case of savings account, bank will not be levying any normal charges. In fact, they give interest. Whereas current account, they will be levying charges based on number of transactions made in a quarter, in a 3 months period. This is current account, savings account. This is a sure short question. Next is, what is the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit? Fixed deposit minimum period 7 days, maximum period 10 years. Here, the depositor gives a lump sum amount with the bank for a fixed period and he is assured of fixed rate of interest. He will get back the principal and also interest at the end of the period. If he will be paid quarterly interest also. In case the depositor does not want interest, he can put it in another form known as cumulative deposit, reinvestment deposit. That is, interest is earning interest at the same rate of interest. Otherwise, what will happen? You are putting a fixed deposit for 10 lakhs. Bank will give you interest for 3 months. That money will go into savings bank account. You will get only 3% interest. Whereas if that money is invested in cumulative deposit, it will get same rate of interest, 7%, 8%, like that. So this much is about fixed deposit. A recurring deposit is one where we are paying minimum 6 months, maximum 10 years, where you are paying, say, fixed amount for fixed period, minimum 6 months, maximum 10 years, for which you will be paid fixed rate of interest. The installment has to be paid within that. Failing to pay that amount, bank will levy penal charges. This money will be paid to you back or after 1 month after the last premium paid, along with interest up to date. These are the four famous type of deposits. This is normally known as liabilities. Why it is called liability? Can any non-commerce graduate tell me why it is called as liability? Non-commerce
Sir,
graduate. Yeah.
sir, because of banks repays to the customers with interest, sir.
Yeah. You need not worry about interest also. Bank has to
Okay.
repay this money to the customer.
Repay to,
And that is
okay.
why it is appearing under the liability side of the balance sheet of the bank. Nowadays, you may be wondering why I am explaining all this. Because in bank interviews, even for engineering graduates, they are asking, what is a balance sheet? What is net profit? What is an asset? What are the items that will appear in a bank balance sheet asset side? Like that they ask. But more difficult questions they will ask for our commerce and MBA students and all. In the liability side of a bank balance sheet, you will have long-term liabilities, monies which bank has to pay after 12 months, then and also deposits, plus capital and reserves. Reserves means out of the profit every year, bank sets apart some portion of money for some purpose, maybe buying some commodity or whatever purpose it is, they reserve it separately. Under the asset side on top, you will have fixed assets, that is land, building, machinery, then vehicles. Then under current assets, you will have money in cash, then balance kept with the Reserve Bank of India and other banks, loans given to borrowers. This will be available under the current assets. And any other loans bank has taken to be any other money that bank has given on loan, as say call money or loans repayable within 12 months, that will appear under the asset side. So this much is sufficient. I have told you deposit. I have told you about bank balance sheet. Now about advances. If you go through the website of our bank, you will know bank's main job is to take deposits and to give loan. If they don't give loan, they can't pay interest on depositor. So Banks give loan against its own deposits. 90% it will give loan. The other famous loans are bank gives loan for jewels, against jewels. Under this jewels, there are a lot of changes Reserve Bank has been introducing. Even yesterday also, they have given some changes. I suggest you go to Google, or shall I try it? Google and find out what is it telling. Google.co.in, recent RBI directives on jewel loans. Lot of things they are telling, but something we should know. I am giving this line, this one in the Federal Bank group. I am also giving in our credit officers. They also need it. Then CWC wala. Yeah. Please go through that. That will give you an idea of what it is. Now, where are we? Now, where are we? Yeah, okay. Now, I was telling you about loans, gold loan. But I will tell you briefly what it is. Gold loan means you might have seen your mother or relatives, whenever they need urgent finance, they go and give their jewels to bank. Bank appraiser will appraise how much is the value of that, and then based on bank's rules, they will give loan. This loan has to be repaid within 12 months, and then but now they have made very strict regulations. Earlier, what they were doing, if somebody will avail loan this year, and say he will be getting 3,000 only. But by the time next year comes, the price of gold would have gone up. So much so, he can get 4,000 loan from that. In that case, what happens? What he will do? He will take 4,000 loan and repay the interest for the previous loan. Now they have made it tough. They say you cannot do like that. If you have taken a jewel loan, you should come and adjust that loan immediately, fully, and next day you can take another loan. That is what they are telling about it. That is the instruction they have given, most important instructions. Apart from that, they are given some 9 instructions. Repeatedly, they are telling certain things. Please go through that. Another type of famous loan is car loan. Car loan is taken by people who are having fixed income or businessmen. They will give, say, 20% of the cost of the vehicle. Please go through bank's website to know how much percentage they are telling. Out of 100 rupees cost of the vehicle, 20 rupees the customer will be asked to pay. Balance 80% will be given as loan. How this has to be done? If you want to avail a car loan, you must bring details of your last 3 months salary statement. Then your last 3 years income tax return. And then you should give your driving license also. They may ask or they may not ask, because it is not necessary. One should know driving. You can engage a driver and then drive it also. Then I was telling you about, these things you have to give. Apart from that, what you should do, you should go to the shop from where you are buying a car and get a pro forma invoice. Pro forma invoice. That will tell what is your name, what is your address, what is the car you are going to buy, what is the price of that car. They will give like that. But nowadays banks have arrangement with car companies. So If you want to buy some, I don't know which car is sold more now in the market in India. Which car is sold more in the market now?
SUV cars.
Yeah, pardon. SUV cars.
Yes, sir.
What is SUV?
Sir,
Sir,
it's
it's small utility vehicles, sir.
Pardon.
Small utility vehicles.
Acha. Oh, very good. Whatever it is. So, but this answer is not correct. I expected an answer like, say, Maruti. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Kia you
Maruti is most.
sold more. I suggest you search Google and find out. I can do
So
it.
there are many more companies which are compatible to the Maruti. There, there's also Tata, there's also Hyundai, and many more.
Here, the list is telling Maruti Suzuki Wagon R is being sold more. Then Tata Punch. Wagon R means how it will be. I know one Omni. Maruti Omni I was having in India way back in 94. Now this Wagon R, the size எப்படி இருக்கும்? Let me see the photo. Google.co.in Maruti Wagon R image. Oh, Baba, got it. Are you seeing the Maruti Wagon? No. Yeah. But it's very
Sir,
nice. You are seeing it or not? Now on the screen?
sir,
Yes,
we
sir,
have
yes, sir.
seen it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Maruti Wagon. But it's not very big. 1, 2, 3, 4 people and one more child can sit. 5 can sit. Yeah. Okay. Now I was discussing about our vehicle loan. Yeah. Now we have arrangement with the companies. So much so what happened? So these are the car companies doing more sales nowadays. Maruti Suzuki Wagon R, Tata Punch, Hyundai Creta, Maruti Suzuki Swift. But you need not know exactly, but simply know Maruti, Tata, or in top. Wherever it is only they are on top. Very good. So this, and again, this problem will come because um, when they ask you about, tell me about car loans, because you are going to be customer service executives, that means you may be asked to canvass for car loans, canvass for fixed deposits. So when you canvass for car loans, you must know what are the terms and conditions of car loan and then tell them. And when you talk, you should talk in a very sweet way. You should not talk like me. I am talking like a machine. You should not do like that. You must go and talk to them with a broad smile on your face. Hello, sir. Welcome. I will tell you how you can get car loan easily from our bank. Yes, we have got arrangement with this Maruti company. Which car would you like to buy, sir? This car? Okay. I will ask for a pro forma invoice for the company. I will get it done for you, sir. Please give me your visiting card. Let me give the address and all to him. You must talk like that in a very sweet way. Whether it was sweet or not, I don't know. You must do like that to impress the customer. So we will get the pro forma invoice. Then we have taken application form and all other documents. Nowadays, boys, girls, banks are giving loan based on internet only. You can give your application on internet just as you are all applying for job. You can apply for loan on the online and get it online itself. Many banks are doing it. So they will go through the application, and if you are found suitable, if they think you can repay the loan, they will give loan. and they will ask you to pay 20% of the money to the bank. Then they will make out 100 rupees draft and send it to the car company. The car company, along with the, say, the car will be bought and registered, and with our bank's name being entered as a hypothecatee. Hypothecation means, say, movable properties being given as security, but the possession will continue to be in the hands of the borrower. Whereas in the case of gold loan, jewel loan, the security is given as pledge. Pledge means the owner comes and gives the property and it is kept under the lock and key of the bank. So that is the difference between pledge and hypothecation. Favorite question for BCom, MCom, BBA candidates. And another, so I was telling you about car loan. So they will they will purchase the car with bank's name being entered as hypothecatee. I think in India, we have nowadays one known as Wagon or something like that. Um, there is a website where the details of the charge in favor of banks are entered. And so you need not go up to that much extent and all. Simply say hypothecation is taken. The car is inspection will be done by the bank. The borrower has to use the vehicle and repay the money properly. If he fails to repay, bank will take possession of the property. They are supposed to retain duplicate key with them. Nowadays, many banks are not maintaining. When I was giving loan, I used to take a duplicate key, keep it with us. But nowadays, since they are giving more car loans, they are not doing that. That's one. This is about car loan. Now,
Sir,
next, yeah,
what about lien? There is another term called lien, right?
lien means,
Lien.
see, the right to retain the property. What is your name?
Srikanth, sir.
Srikanth is a good boy. But what happens? He repaid the gold loan taken by him, but he has not repaid the say shop loan which he has taken for so many days. So on a day when he comes and adjusts the gold loan, bank will not return the gold to you. They will say, we have a lien over your this property because you have not adjusted your shop loan. You have taken loan from our shop, from our bank for, say, buying certain commodities for your shop. You have not repaid that loan. So bank will exercise lien. This is known as banker's lien. Retaining some property towards due in respect of another dues. That is, but of course, the customer, he knows very well. He will not adjust the gold loan also. The customers are all very well informed about this. So that is the thing. Next famous loan about which I would like to talk is housing loan. Nowadays, banks are giving lot of housing loan. It's because our population is increasing. India, when it got independence, what was its population? Hello, tell me.
Around 50 crores.
So it was around 40 crores.
So between 40 to 50 crores.
Yeah, for population of India. Are you seeing online? Current population, they say 138. I think even this is wrong. It must be 140 plus now.
Yes, sir.
In 1947, it was 30 kodi makkal. 30 kodi makkal. It was 340 million, 30 crores. 30 crores was the population. And right now, the present population 23 is 138. Now we want present population. Google.co.in, India population.
Present population is around 145 crores.
Yeah, 140. No, population 2025 May 146 crore. Hello? India present
Yes, sir.
population is 146 crore. And what is the density? What is meant by density, Ravinder Kumar? What is meant by density of population?
Sir, density means the number of people living in 1 square kilometer area.
Super. It is 492.
Yes, sir.
In 1 square kilometer, how
It
many
is
people are
492
living?
people.
492. Supposing I search here Canada population density now.
Sir, it's maybe 15 to 20. I'm not sure.
It must be very less. It must be very less. 4.2 people per square kilometer. Only 4 people per square kilometer. It's because
Family member in one
Canada is
one
third largest country. First is Russia, which is country, which largest country? Countries by area.
Russia,
Large.
Sir,
India.
India is 7th largest country.
India is 7th largest. That I know. Which is the first, second? First is Russia, second Canada.
USA,
Oh.
sir.
No,
Oh,
Canada.
sorry.
Second is Canada. Third is China. And fourth is United States. Fifth is Brazil. Sixth is Australia. Seventh is India. Eighth is Argentina. So many of these countries we don't know because only by Atlas we know Kazakhstan, Algeria, like that. Very good. Doesn't matter. So we were discussing about housing loan. So the loan has to be given because more people are there, more accommodation is required. So for giving housing loan, what are the documents required? Housing loan application, apart from KYC formalities, then we will ask the borrower to give income tax, that is salary slip, then last 3 years return, and then we will ask him to give details of house to be bought by him, and that means we will ask all the relevant documents. That is, whenever you buy a house, you will get a document known as title deeds. Tamil, I don't know what we say in Tamil. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? पत्थर ना, घर का पत्थर, वो कुछ मिलेगा
हाँ सर
उस घर का पत्थर.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yes.
sale deed will be getting. So we will ask him to give all the previous sale deed, etc., and take the documents. If it is going to be a new house to be constructed, an estimate for the proposed construction, all those details we will take. We will satisfy ourselves that there is land, that there is a building coming up or it has come up, how much cost it is, out of which whatever margin bank prescribes 10% or 15%, that the customer will give. Balance money we will give. If it is a ready-made house, we will give it in one lump sum. If it is to be constructed, we will pay in step by step. This is another process. And then once the house is bought, the house will be bought, and the name of the bank will be added as mortgage in the registrar office. So this mortgage means what? Mortgage means giving as security immovable properties such as land, building. Land and building, that is known as आपको mortgage. So it will be entered in the book of the registrar office. Otherwise, these fellows will take a duplicate and sell it to somebody and take also loan from the bank. So that is why this extra formalities is prescribed. Then again, we are supposed to make an inspection, make periodical inspection, and recover the monies properly. And if he is not going to repay, if he is not repaying for 90 days from the due date, it is called as non-performing asset. When it is called as non-performing asset, it is classified as substandard account. Prior to that stage, the account is called standard account. An account where installments are paid properly is known as standard account. But where an account comes under substandard account, then bank has to provide funds for it. Bank has to debit its expenditure. If it is a secured advance, then bank will provide 15%. If it is an unsecured advance, bank will provide 25%. And another important point, from that date, bank cannot take its income, that is interest, it cannot take the interest debited to its income account. Bank cannot take it to income account. No income will come. On the other hand, we have to provide. That means our loss will increase. So this is known as non-performing assets, substandard. Just be informed, commerce people. The next stage is doubtful assets, and the next stage is loss assets. This much is will do for you people, because you are going only as a clerk. They will not ask you more than this. So these are the three types of famous loans about which you must be familiar, because in banks like Federal Bank, they will ask you to sell a water bottle or a cell phone or a television or the chair on which you are sitting, or they will ask you to sell any of their products. So be ready about one or two products of our bank, deposit and advances, so that you can talk in nice ways about it. Next important thing is about digitalization. Nowadays, banking is done, majority of the transactions are done through online. Because there are many people, I am sure among you, you would not have visited bank for last over 2-3 years. There is no need. So whenever we want money, it is credited to our account. Whenever we want to draw account, they draw the money from the ATM. But nowadays, with our Google Pay being available, with I am told Google Pay, Phone Pay is used by flower vendors, auto wallahs, then a vegetable wallah. Not only that, that at least is okay. I was told that what is that? QR code is maintained by beggars. Has anybody got experience of seeing such thing? Beggars having QR code. Is it a fact or a joke only? I was
No, sir, it's a fact. I mean, I have come across it
Yes, sir.
a couple of situations.
in which place? In opposite temple or where?
No, it's at the signal junctions we could see.
Oh, very
If
bad.
we give them
They-
change, they are not taking it. They
They will say, even if you want to pay
there.
2 rupees, even if you want to pay 2 rupees, you pay here. That's all. That is right.
Yeah,
That's
yes,
very
sir.
good. Excellent. But India is the only country which has made this much progress. They can ask, yeah. So digitalization is what we are doing, and check up about Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, internet banking, and also mobile banking. What is the name of the mobile app? In the case of mobile app, you have to download the mobile app. You will be given an ID and a password. Then you can change the password. Then use that mobile app for many services like transferring money, taking out balance, sorry, statement of account, so many things. You can pay income tax, so many, almost all services you can do. You cannot issue a demand draft, but for that, everything you can send remittance through NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, which is done in 48 batches per day, 24 by 7. That is, every 30 minutes, one batch will go. Here, there is no minimum balance, there is no maximum balance. On the other hand, this is a very favorite question in bank. What is RTGS, real time gross settlement? Here, the remittance can be made instantly, that is real time. If I remit now, it will be credited immediately, just as similar to what you people do. You pay 603 rupees and it comes to me same minute. So that is known as immediate credit and real-time transfer. The only condition here is minimum 2 lakhs, maximum unlimited. This much you know about it. I have told you about digitalization. Please go through the website and get to know all the details. And in respect of advances, sometimes for commerce graduates, they may ask you about what is balance sheet, what is the 3 golden rules of bookkeeping, then what is profit and loss account, what is trial balance, and then what is current ratio, what is debt service coverage ratio. These questions will come for only commerce candidates. But for others, the famous questions are normally in banks, they ask, what is your state? Who is your chief minister? Who is your finance minister? How many ministers are in your state? Name the 5 ministers from union cabinet. Then name 5 rivers in your state. What is the speciality of your district, of your state? Like this, questions will go on like this. And for that, you should be reading everyday newspaper. I am sharing in our N2 group. I think all of you would have become N2 group, wherein you will get newspapers. At least read one newspaper every day. Not only that, you should also know what is the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex and also know what is the share price of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank and what is its market capitalization. By market capitalization, we mean number of shares issued multiplied by the price, the share price in the market. If the market is going very well, the market capitalization will go up. In India, the bank which has got maximum market capitalization is HDFC, followed by ICICI Bank, then Axis Bank, then Kotak Mahindra Bank. Like that it goes. Yes Bank, then Indian Overseas Bank, like that it goes. So this is what it is. Generally, I have covered all. You must go through the newspaper I am giving. Every day I am giving you banking. There is one paper every day I am giving. Banking? What is that called? Can anyone tell me what is that called? Banking front line. Nobody is reading this. Huh? What is this, boys? Why are you not reading, boys? This is a very useful one. Before going for interview, at least go through the headlines.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
You
on
must.
the sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, for which date newspaper or the current date?
Yeah, this is today's.
I mean, sir, अगर 28 को इंटरव्यू है तो 28 का न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ के जाना चाहिए.
यहाँ जी 28 इंटरव्यू तो आप 28 को पढ़ना है, 29 को भी पढ़ के जाना है. क्योंकि कभी कभी ये लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, अरे टुमारो क्या होने वाला है, टुमारो होने वाला है. ऐसा नहीं बोलना. So whatever it is, so it depends on the questions they are asking. So what are the important events that have taken place? What is the important event to take place tomorrow? like that. You must be
Sir,
ready for that. And I am giving you, boys and girls, every day current affairs snippets. Are you
sir,
aware
do
of
they
that?
ask technical questions for BTech students?
No, normally no. Very rarely they will ask. Very rarely,
Okay, sir.
because they, unless the person sitting there is an engineering graduate, he will not ask. Oh, look, nowadays they are asking only open questions. You see my previous Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank questions. They are all ordinary way only. They don't ask very tough questions.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Here I am also giving you one current affairs snippets. This one, I am asking another lady to work for me from Chennai. Every day she is sending it to me. And I give them to you like this. Are you seeing online? You may not see now. I will show you. So like this, every day I am giving. I think I have so far given up to, I am slightly, sometimes I miss line. For example, keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, I have given up to 16th May only. What is today's date? 20. So I have to add some more dates. I think she would have sent it. I have to put it again. So I will update it now. Then you can read up to date and go. Every day I'll be adjusting. She has sent me up to what date? What is the last date she has sent? 20th May she has sent, Baba. I am giving you 20th May, boys. I am
Sir,
giving
today is
you.
21st in India.
I know, but I am always slow. I have to go behind this because earlier I was giving newspapers immediately, but nowadays I am not getting newspapers here before I go for sleep. So that is why I am not able to give you early. Otherwise, I have to go to one telegram and then do it. So I have given you 20th, then this is 19th. 19th also I am adding to you. I am adding no, am I giving the same thing? Anyhow, I will see that I will sort out that one. So these are the things I thought I must share with all of you. So that is why I wanted all of you to come here. So I thought I should make a big lecture for 1 hour and 20 minutes. And whatever points I have given, if you listen once again, that will be, you will get at least 25% questions from what I have covered today, along with the one I have given you in the first 5 pages of that material, A 2023 interview question. All of you must be familiar with that. All of you, are you familiar with that or not? Maybe people who have joined today, they may not be familiar. You will have this in your folder, and in this, you see in this, wait a minute, in this first is about Federal Bank. Leave it, not for you. Now next comes Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Please go through this. Then after going through this, neglect other banks here. Then go to RBI governor. From here, start reading. You will read everything. Sure, short question. अरे बाबा, ये क्वेश्चन आपको आएगा. RBI का कितना सब्सिडरी है? What is the bank rate? Who are the deputy governors? ये सब आपको पूछेगा. इसका बाद में I have given about functions of bank, Reserve Bank. I have given some detail about SEBI, IRDAI. I have told you about credit rating. This is required only for commerce students. Then these are the sure short question. Couple it with along with my this today's lecture. You will get 50% questions in your interview. And after this, successful candidate interview questions are given. Not only that, if you happen to spend some time and go through successful candidates' videos, you will make success owned by you. Best wishes. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of you have come. I think totally only 9 or 10 of you have joined. It is okay,
Yes, sir.
sufficient for us. So
So one last question.
I want out of 10 people to get selected. So please prepare very well. Tell me any questions.
Sir, I mean, it's a generic question. Like, if since you are from the engineering background, how would you fit in into the banking industry? How to give a satisfactory answer for that question?
Yeah, all of you are going to tell the same answer I am telling in the video. Sometimes what happens when you tell the same question, they will ask, Are Baba, why all of you are telling the same answer? Have you attended Sambasivam sir class? ऐसा पूछ लेते. Huh? It happens in
Yes.
Federal Bank class. Here only 10 of you are there. Online, not many people see. 30, 40 people see. That's all. So the answer I give is federal. So when I joined engineering course, I was given an impression that there will be very good job opportunities. But nowadays, the core companies, very few core companies are coming to my college, have come to my college, and there were no campus placements happening. And banking industry is an industry that is growing very well and is of great service to the economy and is offering good career growth. I would like to be a part of it, so I wanted to join banking service. Hey, you should tell without laughing. You should tell seriously. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes.
Yeah. And but some of us have got problem in English communication, in which case please talk in local language. Chinta mat karo. You are taken at clerical level only, where you are supposed to talk in local language. Please be free enough in talking in local language. Unless they are going to object, they may not, because they are not taking you as officers. They are only taking you as clerks, executive. But they have changed the name, some executive like that they have added, but you are going to be a clerk only.
Sir, in call letter, they have mentioned that you have to speak in English only.
Acha,
Yes, sir.
Hare Baba, Shekhar, Srikant, Jayashree, why are you not telling to me? If they have given so, then go follow that one. I was not aware that they have told you this. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. If that is the case, out of 9 of you, maybe most of you can easily manage. And it is not necessary you should make correct sentences. अभी देखिए जब हम बात करते थे, I was making some mistakes in grammar, no problem. But nobody is interested in correcting our grammar mistake. They want to know, are we talking with confidence? समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
This is what it is. This Kudrat, I mean, your photo looks like Ajit, Tamil Nadu Ajit. Kudrat, I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
look like that cine actor Ajit. Ajit जानते हैं आप?
Yeah. I know, sir.
उनका मैं भी लगता है. He is a motor car race car motorist also. Yeah, very good. Then
Thank you, sir.
now any other doubt some of you would like to ask? I think Jayashree has joined today only.
Yes, sir.
Did you take my interview slots allotted for you?
Yes, sir.
I have given. Anybody has not taken interview slot, please take it from me. Tell me or message me immediately, giving your interview date, the dates on which you want interview. Also tell whether it is okay for you to take interview. in the morning 6:30 a.m. and 7 a.m. or in the evening 5 to 6 or 7 to 10 o'clock. Okay,
Yes,
this is
sir.
what it is. Now, very good. I wish all of you should succeed, but Bhagwan Jani kya hoga, and it depends. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. Ravinder?
sir, sir, this
Yeah.
is Jaya, sir.
Jaya, tell me, Jaya, from which place?
Sir, I am from Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh.
Very good. Tell me.
Sir, what kind of a questions for an art student, sir?
Your arts, which arts? BA economics or what?
Sir, I have a cluster of subjects, three subjects, English literature, political science, and economics, sir.
First question, Jaya, you are coming from Vishakhapatnam.
Yes, sir.
What are the plus points of Vishakhapatnam? Why you like it very much? Tell us about Vishakhapatnam. Who is the mayor of Vishakhapatnam? Who is the MLA of Vishakhapatnam? Who is the MP of Vishakhapatnam? Okay.
Okay,
Next,
sir.
why did you prefer this subject? Was it that you were a very dull student who could not get engineering admission? Why?
No, sir, I was interested in art subjects, and the other thing is that I feel uh, engineering was not my interest, sir. And I was also interested in doing public sector, sir. So I was preparing for government exams too.
When did you complete your degree?
So 2020, sir.
5 साल क्या करते थे? 5 years what you were doing? Then you are going to tell me COVID came, sir. This came, sir.
No,
That
sir.
came. Hmm.
No,
No,
sir.
no. Actually,
Up
look, Andhra Pradesh, heavy competition. Andhra Pradesh, heavy competition. So you must have taken proper coaching. Have you joined proper coaching? There are famous institute like Sridhar, then Nandyal, that Nandyal College, what is that? Guru Raghavendra College, something like that. Doesn't matter. I'm not going into that. Now, regarding your question, questions for you will be number one, why did you prefer this subject? Which literature books are you reading every day? Who are the famous writers of you? Then please tell me famous English writers from our country. Can you tell some plays written by Shakespeare? Which poets you like very much? What is the advantage of reading literature? Next, political science. Why did you choose political science as one of the subjects? What is political science? What is the advantage of learning political science? How you are going to be helpful for me in my bank? And who is the governor? Who is the chief minister? Then what is your Nara Chandra Babu Naidu doing nowadays? Like this question they will ask. What is the other subject?
economics, sir.
No, you said um, say English, political science. Third one,
Economics, sir.
Ore Baba. Economics, I will give you 100 questions. Both tough question. What is inflation? What is deflation? What is recession? What is unemployment? What is GDP? What is GNP? What is fiscal policy? What is deficit financing? Like this, the questions will go
చిన్న చిన్న
on.
అవునా
It will be going like that for economics. So
క్లాస్ నడుస్తుంది
nowadays they have a fashion in the bank interviews to ask, please tell us about
కూతురు
our
తిడుతున్నాడు
please tell us about our economy. What is the position of our economy? How it is going? Third or fourth or fifth, like that. So these things you must be in a position to answer.
Sir,
So what is demand supply curve? Yeah, that's all. And I will put 100 questions on in our group. Don't worry. Yeah.
sir, please tell me, sir, how to tackle the gap year question, sir. I was also graduated in 2018, sir. So how to
See,
tackle, sir, gap year question?
I should not tell as a creditor. Through me, people have got into EPFO, Employees Provident Fund Organization, after 8 years from the date of completion of mechanical engineering. The fellow had problem because he was writing IAS, he did not succeed. Again wrote, he did not succeed. Then he wrote this, that and all. That is why he could not succeed. But this time when he came, he prepared very well for the question answering. He was selected. People will not mind about your gap if you know what is banking, if you know what is PMB, if you know what is Tamil Nadu, and if you know what is advances, whatever I have talked so far, if you do that properly, they will select you. And you must talk as a happy person, not with fear. But that fear will be there for all of us. Even I had fear. But see, if you have fear, that is not good for
Sir,
selection of office staff. Yeah, tell me.
sir, should we have knowledge about Tamil Nadu state also?
Just for fun, I told you. But however, as a candidate appearing for Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, why can't you know Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is M.K. Stalin and
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Udayanidhi Stalin, his son, is Deputy Chief Minister. Then there are so many districts. How many districts? Anybody from Tamil Nadu? So I think there are some 38 districts or so. You can go to, you please search in Google tamilnadu.gov.in. How can I do it? You can go through that and go to Wikipedia and learn about Tamil Nadu. Bas. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You need not go to many places. Just go to Wikipedia and here you get to know Tamil Nadu.
Sir,
See, I am showing you.
sir,
Yeah. And you know, your Tuticorin is a place for which the MP is Mrs. Kanimozhi, sister of M.K. Stalin, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. She is one of the leader of the groups which are going to foreign countries to tell about Operation Sindoor and clarifying our stand. Okay, very good. Now tell me. Now
sir,
somebody
are they?
wanted. Uh,
Yes, sir. I have a question. So, are they supposed to ask the situation-based question as well?
yeah. They will ask. They will ask if an old man comes and a young lady comes at the counter for remitting cash, from whom you will receive immediately. Some such faltu questions they will ask. But don't worry. Whatever question they ask, you answer confidently. It need not be the correct answer. Out of 20 questions they may be asking, if you can answer 15 questions correctly, you may get 90 marks in the interview.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is what it is. And I know, even I don't know much about Tamil Nadu, but still थोड़ा से इसका बारे में पढ़ लीजिए, आपको अच्छा हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless all of you. This is a
Thank you, sir.
peculiar session. I have never conducted like this because today, when I found in some interviews people were struggling, I thought I should make it in a pakka manner. Not only that, boys, girls, you can do the same question to Chat GPT. This Jaya can ask Chat GPT, Chat GPT, I am a art student, studied this. I am going for Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank interview for this. Please tell me what are the questions I can expect. Please give me 200 questions with the answers. You ask it like that, it will give you. Do you follow? Jaya,
We follow, sir.
Jaya,
Okay.
புரிஞ்சுதா? అర్థమైందా జయ? మీకు అర్థమైందా?
Yes, I got it, sir.
ఆ, మీరు మీ నాన్న ఏం చేస్తుంటారు? హలో,
Sir, gas delivery boy, sir.
గ్యాస్
Gas delivery boy, sir.
Oh, Baba. Acha, I'm very sorry. How much of struggle he must have had in bringing you up for this level. Good. Thank God. Mm, yeah, yeah. How many siblings you have?
I have a younger sister, sir.
What is she doing?
She's pursuing PhD, sir.
Ori Baba. Tana bada. Kya PhD?
In environmental sciences.
I know she is doing PhD because she wants to avoid marriage. Otherwise, she will not be
It's
doing.
no, it's not like that, sir.
You got married, Madam Jaya, Madam?
No, sir.
No, it's okay. No problem. So, ఇంకే ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా మీకు?
సార్ అంటే ఎలాంటి రిఫరెన్సెస్ పెట్టచ్చు సార్?
ఎలా అంటే రెఫరెన్సెస్ మీన్స్ చదవడానికి నేను ఏమి ఇచ్చామో అది చదవండి.
కాదు సార్, మనకి బయోడేటా ఫామ్ లో 2
బయోడేటా రెఫరెన్స్. అచ్చా బయోడేటా. అచ్చా బయోడేటా రెఫరెన్స్. యూ విల్ గివ్ names of 2 people or 3 people who know you by your name and who will give very good report about you. Don't give name of somebody who is having animosity over you. ఈ గ్యాస్ వెండర్ అమ్మాయిలు బ్యాంకుకు వెళ్తున్నారా? అది ఎలాగా వెళ్ళొచ్చు అని నోబడీ షుడ్ థింక్ లైక్ దట్. అర్థమైందా జయ?
సార్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. అంటే మన కాలేజ్ ప్రొఫెసర్స్ వాళ్ళ నేమ్స్ ఇవ్వచ్చా? లేదు అంటే ఒక
ఇవ్వచ్చు. యూ కెన్, బట్
అంటే
కాలేజ్
ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా
కాలేజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడదు.
నాట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ సార్.
No, if you can give your neighbor ఎవరైనా బ్యాంక్ మేనేజర్ ఉంటే వాడి నామ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. Or if there is somebody, some big shopkeeper, and if he is a good person known to you, you can give that. కానీ వాడి దగ్గర చెప్పాలి, I am giving your name as reference. మీకు ఏమైనా రెఫరెన్స్ లెటర్ వస్తే మీ బాగా రెఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వండి అని చెప్పండి. కానీ బ్యాంక్ విల్ నాట్ సెండ్ లెటర్ నౌ. They will send letter only for selected people.
లైక్ అంటే బయోడేటా ఫామ్ లో డీటెయిల్స్ అడిగారు సార్, రిఫరెన్స్ యొక్క నేమ్, అడ్రస్, ఇంకా కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్.
That's what I'm telling you. Give the name of the person, the address of the person, email ID of the person if he has, and then cell phone number. If it is there, you give. But they will not call over phone and all. They will send a letter, get reply from them.
ఓకే సార్.
Very good.
సార్ నైబర్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక కార్పొరేట్ ఫామ్ లో ఎక్కడైనా వర్క్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళు అలాంటి రిఫరెన్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చా?
ఇవ్వచ్చు.
మేబీ ఐటీ ఫామ్ లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళు,
ఐటీలో ఫామ్ లో వర్క్ చేస్తే ఏమైనా అమ్మాయిలు ఐటీ అమ్మాయి ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ టాక్ టు హర్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ వెదర్ షీ ఈస్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అంటే ఆ నేమ్ ఇవ్వండి.
ఓకే.
Thank you. Best wishes. God bless all. This is a very good session. Please listen once, twice, take notes. This will get you 60% questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All of
you,
those
sir.
who have not taken dates, please message me. Thanks for coming here in good number. I think it's a good attendance, 90% attendance. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.